Hi guys, we're going to start the tear down. We're going to take out this sidewinder turbo kit that's in this MR right now. We're going to break it down, and hopefully I can get this to switch from regular video to time lapse so that this doesn't take a couple hours to do. Because these are quite tedious, and I'm pretty adamant about some of the details and things that I want to change in this car. So here it goes, you know. Okay, so that's that. One sidewinder kit, Precision Turbo 6.2 something. Once parts are out, got a few other things I got to take care of. I got to source another oil feed line and a couple other things. I got to make a new return line, so it might be a little bit before I put the new kit together. I see a couple other issues that I've got to take care of too, so we'll see you back shortly after I get all these other issues taken care of. Bye.